Hey foodies, welcome back to Kelvin's Kitchen. Today we're making something that's perfect for any occasion, whether it's Taco Tuesday, game night, or you just need a quick snack. We're diving into the world of easy homemade guacamole with fresh ingredients. Grab your avocados and let's get started. Alright folks, first things first, let's talk avocados. Choose 3 ripe ones, the kind that give a little when you squeeze them. Not like a stress ball, but just enough to know they're ready. Slice them in half lengthwise, give them a twist, and voila, they should come apart easily. Remove the pit by whacking it gently with your knife and giving it a little twist. If you miss and it flies across the kitchen, don't worry, I won't tell. Scoop out that creamy goodness into a mixing bowl. Now take a fork or a potato masher and start mashing. You can make it as smooth or as chunky as you like. Personally, I like a little texture. After all, life's too short for boring guacamole. Keep mashing until you've got your desired consistency. Time to kick things up a notch. Squeeze the juice of 1 lime over your mashed avocados. Trust me, this is what gives your guac that zing. Next, add half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of ground cumin, and if you're feeling a bit adventurous, throw in a half teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Give it a good mix. Now, if you're not a fan of spice, you can skip the cayenne, but where's the fun in that? Okay, grab half a medium onion and dice it finely. Here's a little tip. Put the onion in the fridge for a bit before chopping to avoid the tears. Next, take 2 Roma tomatoes, cut them in half, and scoop out the seeds. We don't need the guac getting all watery, right? Dice those tomatoes nice and small. Now for the cilantro. You'll need about a tablespoon chopped. If you're one of those people who think cilantro tastes like soap, well, we can't all have good taste. Just kidding. You can leave it out if you really must. Finally, grab a garlic clove, give it a good smash. Peel it and mince it finely. Garlic brings everything together. Never underestimate the power of garlic. Toss the diced onion, tomatoes, cilantro, and minced garlic into the bowl with your avocado mash. Stir it all together until it's well combined. Look at that. It's like a fiesta in a bowl. This is the best part. Grab a tortilla chip and scoop up some of that guacamole. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning if needed. Maybe a little more salt, another squeeze of lime. Make it perfect for your taste buds. Transfer your guacamole to a serving bowl and it's ready to go. Serve it up with some tortilla chips or use it as a topping for your tacos, nachos, or whatever your heart desires. And there you have it. Easy, homemade, and absolutely delicious guacamole. For the full written recipe, head over to kelvinskitchen.com. And remember, guacamole is like a party in your mouth. Everyone's invited, but no double dipping, okay? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on a delicious recipe. See you next time on Kelvin's Kitchen.